This guide will show you how to file your stock income tax 1099B form. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. We are in Turbotax.com, a product by Intuit to handle all your tax. We're going to get into exactly how to file that stock income tax. You can go over to the to do, or if you've already set up your account, you can look for your wages and income at the top over here, and you can just go ahead and tap on edit, and this will open up. Now there's a few things that you just need to know. So all your stock sales forms from your financial institution will be necessary for you to submit your 1099. And then also your 1099B form may be a group of other forms. So it'll be a 1099 MISC, a 1099 INT, and a 1099 DIV. And basically all these forms will be one single form, and you can submit that form right over here. You can also see by going through this process if you are actually eligible for the 1099B form. And if you are, you're going to go through here. And then if you have more than one financial institution that you've gotten your sales forms from, you want to use the individual form one by one and do them individually instead of doing them all together. Ladies and gentlemen, if this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you again. Cheers.